Ready?
No.
You rolling?
No, not
Right,
yet.
like that?
Soon. I'll check some light here. Monique, you tired? Yeah, good.
Ready?
Yeah.
Rolling?
And rolling.
And silence, action.
Yo everyone, Bunny here, Wagwan. So, we're in a taxi on our way to the commercial shooting for Money Moves. So, yeah, I thought I'd just do a vlog style video for today. For the most part, I know we haven't really been posting any videos for the past few weeks, give or take. But, you know, we're preparing content for you guys here and there. And with Money Move coming up, you'll definitely be getting more coverage and even probably a sneak peek into the first few minutes of that play. So be sure to look out for that in the coming weeks. Yeah, but rate, comment, subscribe, people. And of course, follow us on IG. I'll definitely leave a link, or you should see something come up on the video here at this point. I'll probably put something there in the editing. But yeah, so we're almost there. I'll definitely see what coverage I can get you guys for today. And yeah, it's Saturday 15th of June. Let's just try to have some fun. Yeah. Rehearsal time soon starts.
Who finished? Who get ready? Come here.
Monique, you have nothing to say?
Well, we're getting ready for the show for July 19th. Right, Trevor? So we're getting ready to shoot the commercial. Yes. So in here is the dressing room. And we have attitude 1, attitude 2. And Tracy here in the corner. Yeah. And while them get ready, one can have a seat with him interview right here.
Yeah.
Tracy, sit down and get interview. Anybody. Can I eat while I'm here? Get up and put the chair over that side. Alright, then we're here with Tracy today and we're going to interview her, and I wanted to tell us a little bit about yourself. Don't look at me, look in the camera. Look at this thing right here in the camera and tell them a little bit about yourself.
Okay. I'm unique.
Remember, so when I think I need a broke out.
You never have to tell about it. I'm unique. Unique. I'm Tracy. It's my mom. Yeah.
You're not sure.
It's my mom.
You're not sure.
It's my mom. And she loves money. Yeah, she's trying to get me a sugar daddy. So if you know anything.
You be with a man. Any man like that. The man has at least catch my eyes.
Catch your eyes?
Yes. Tracy, you man have money. Money not catch your eye. So why the hell you know?
Alright, my name is Shari. Then Miss Attitude.
With life and energy.
Don't make the camera.
So what did I do?
Your own
Hello, my name is Shari. My name is Attitude. And I have 2 man.
10.
What? But I'm 10 man, but here what 2 for the time being. Me I use only 2. You see me? So one I mind me and one I grind me. But I don't know the thing set. You see me? I'm from Montego Bay.
Moby!
Moby in the building. And but that's there for go and do a thing. See if I can go on with that thing and thing. So they just look out for me and be.
That's why I'm going to take your man.
Goodbye.
Listen up. One man on your mackerel. Strictly vegetable. And is a vegetarian. You go on. Because I'm too good for you. It's the name. How can you play it?
Anyways, hi people. I'm Oshin and I'm playing Attitude. Well, due to all that's what me I go. I'm supposed to have bag on, yeah. And I take away the money and I do bag and sit and I tell bag line. You know that's what I go. Yeah, for that it's like this in fear. And I'm from Fear Town, but I live in August Town. Anyways, peeps, just check me out. There. Work at what I'm good at. Yeah.
Alright, gents of people, well going, Bunny here. So I'm here with Oshin White, lovely actress in Money Move that's coming up. So I didn't really want to make this too quote unquote professional, kind of more of a vlog style thing. But yeah, Oshin, I mean, how's the experience been with rehearsals?
Well, for me, rehearsals was a little hectic, but also it was fun at the same time. You know, we learn lots of stuff.
Yeah.
Do lots of stuff, get in our zone, moments. You know, feel comfortable.
Yeah. So I mean, we're more or less halfway there. I mean, July 8th and July 19th premiere date. You feel comfortable so far?
Yeah, just need to catch up on some little bits more something, but
Yeah.
some good stuff, you know. Everything is
Alright, cool.
You know, mom
Legend himself.
satisfaction, yeah.
Now I'm sure I probably from a different angle because of the lighting. I'll just go outside.
Oh. Yeah, man.
You have anything to say?
Well,
In preparation for this play?
Show us if we bring a party for you. Thank God I'm alive, you know, well, you know, can do another show. You know what I mean? Let my fans them say that I'm alright and well. In the 70s, you know, I'm going strong same way, you know.
Young boy, man.
Yeah, man, made about from when Trump card up on line, you know. No, not about Trump card. That's before Chichi Bus come in. And then after Chichi Bus now, they have Jewish Bus.
Yeah.
And then after Jewish Bus now, because before that, you know, used to have country truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, before that you used to have Dre, we carry people from country corner. I remember from Spanish Town, at night time you see the hope of Dre them, with the light and they come with coal, them are coming with what they call it, coconut, and all and something cane and all and something. You know, me there a long time, man. From Western Flyer, I run from Spanish Town to town, and Bronx and all them things there. Yeah, man, from Trump card days. No, when me born, them a take off the Trump card off a line, you understand what I say?
Yeah.
Because you walk now, Trump card couldn't punch in a iron wheel. You know, the time man then come in, so they said, no, they can't have this iron wheel basically, we're not make no money. So they take off that brown.
Makes sense.
Yeah, man. That's why they done with train, you know. Yeah, man, train can't punch, you know. So tire not going to make no money.
Makes
So
sense.
then get rid of that train, you know.
Trevor, you have nothing to say?
Me the boy from Wapiki, Philip. Me Winnie Philip. Me say Wapiki. Wapi was their prison right now, don't.
You know, say he's a thief.
Wapi don't have my profession. I'm a criminologist.
The great Maxwell Grant here. Almost time for the commercials, food people.
No, mommy, we're doing something. I'll do well at this. Smile off your
Why? That's like I still is
Are
me.
you hungry? I saw you be here.
Well, I'm actually not really hungry like that. Still, is me. No, man, the stuff I juicy before. Listen, it was just a porridge, a patty, and a juice. Yes,
Was
me.
just
Yes, me.
You
Like,
think it was just
listen. Oh boy. I think it's actually the same, but. So, Momo, how has the rehearsal sessions been for you?
The rehearsal to somebody, it's a one. We are process, we analyze, we are try to get on with the character. We do character analyzation and we get it done because guess what happens? We don't have any time. Time is the master.
Yeah, trust
even though
me.
you're not there.
Pretty much.
Exactly.
Ready for the road.
You know?
Ready?
Mic
one.
Depends on what kind of video.
Sandy, mic one.
Jamaica,
Still high. Still up there. Too much. Yeah. Too much now. Ready, Sandy, ready? Is there no? Drop it at the tick more. Yeah. And
You can have some actions, you know.
but the rain fall apart.
Sabir,
She said she have some action, no action.
Trevor did have some actions. You know, they don't want to show them in the space at that.
It's not too late, no?
It makes sense, doesn't it?
Which one?
But then we go and shoot them in the...
Huh?
We shoot the actions, they don't
No.
take time.
That's nice. Alright, come back in there.
Okay, that's it, man.
Mom, how can I put this in a way for you to understand? For me to be with any man, I have to first be interested.
You want to start again?
Sorry, go?
You want to go? Alright, stop. Don't move. You want to come for a while?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Come, you're gone too far.
Yeah.
Yeah. And rolling. Action.
Mom, how can I put this in a way for you to understand? From me to be with a man, any man at that, I should at least be interested in the man. The man has to at least.
Alright. Well, keep your hand a little low. You don't want to be upstage and certain hand, so don't can't get too high. Obviously.
Think boy like before you finish.
Alright. Ready again? Action.
What?